Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a eye tutorial with the Semi-Precious palette from ColourPop. I had noticed that there wasn't a ton of these videos out there that was just eye looks. A lot of it was just swatches and people talking about it from when it originally had released, so I thought I would just go ahead and do just a eye look using this palette. If you haven't seen this palette, this is what it looks like. It has some pretty rich colors in it, and all of these have a like shimmery type base, so it's kind of hard to create just one simple look with this without it being kind of bold and very shimmery. So I'm going to be using my Z palette as well. I have a lot of colors in here. I will be popping up the names on the screen of the shade that I am using, that way you guys can check that shade out if you're interested in it. But these are pretty basic shades, but I just really wanted to dip into this, so I will have the brand and the color listed on the screen with what I am using. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Firefly by ColourPop, and I'm just going to put this, I'm sorry guys, my mirror is like going to be a little bit in the way, but I need it. I'll zoom you in a bit more, but I'm going in with the shade Firefly. Just a flat, muted, off-white color, just to kind of set my primer, and I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Next, I'm going to go in with MAC's Soft Brown. I'm going to be using the same, this is the Real Techniques Dome Shadow Brush, so I'm going to be using the same brush. And I'm just going to be applying this above the crease and kind of into the crease a little bit, but not too much. And this brush pretty much blends everything out for you, so you don't really have to worry that much about how it's looking, if it's blending properly or not, because it pretty much blends it out for you. I'm kind of doing like circular motions out here, and then just circular windshield wiper motions on the inside. I don't know how to explain it very well. So I'm going to go in with this green shade right here in Bashful. And I'm just going to pop this on the eyelid. And blend it up just a little bit into the crease, not much. Just basically just to get it in there so it all looks cohesive. Then I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used on soft brown, pop this and just kind of blend the edges. So I'm going to take this IT Cosmetics Air Crease Brush. It's kind of a pointed crease brush, a circular crease brush. I'm going to go into this shade right here in West Star, and I'm going to pop this on the outer corner just to give a little more definition and pull it up into the crease just a little bit. So next I'm going to go in with this shade right here and Up and Atom, and I'm going to be taking this Sonia Kashuk brush. I do not know the name of this, and I'm going to be just popping this on the center of the lid and just kind of pulling it just across the lid. Like, I don't want to cover up where I put that green, but I want to pull it back enough to where it kind of meets the darker shade that we had put down. I'm taking this Sonia Kashuk brush and I'm going in on my color switch to get all the color off. Now I'm going to wet my brush. So I'm going to go into Bashful again with my wet brush And I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner of the eye just to intensify that green. So I will be back with the rest of my makeup done so we can finish up the eye look, and I am back and I look very different. At least I hope I do. My skin's not as red, I hope. And I am using the Aritaum BB Cream. I am doing a review of this, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked for you if it is up before this video or after. Either way, it'll be linked before or after. So yes, I am wearing that. I am also wearing the Maybelline Fit Me powder and this right here, the Maybelline Better Skin. Does anybody else have this issue? Like, I'm just wondering if anybody else has this issue where it just like breaks. But yeah, that's like totally random, but I have this issue every single time I buy this, so I'm really thinking about just trashing it because I've had it forever and it's been broke literally ever since I got it. I use it like twice and then it breaks. So I'm just kind of, I don't know, I don't feel like I like the concealer, but if I could just get it in a different container, it would work so much better. So I don't know why every single time the one I have always breaks. Maybe I'm just too rough with it. But yeah, that is it. I put mascara and lashes on. I'm wearing eBay lashes. These are number 9. So I don't know if that helps you or not, but they're number 9 lashes. I had to cut them, and I'm hoping that I did a good job cutting them because I never have to cut my lashes, and I feel like I made this one a little short. But I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna be using the Loreal Glam Body Face Bronzer. This big huge pan, you know, it's like as big as my face. This came out in I think like 2015 or 14 or something. And I love this product. I use it a crap ton during the summer. This is in the shade Light. I just picked up way too much, so I'm gonna bronze my face. I guess I have my mirrors over here on the side, so we're using that today. Next, I'm gonna take the Balm Spring sampler that I have, go in with this Crown Duo Fiber brush, and blush these cheeks. Get a little bit more. So then I am going to go in with this WINKY Luxe Charm highlighter. This is a holographic highlighter, so actually I'm going to go into the lid because I've got some there. I'm gonna tap off the excess and lightly go in. My nose. So then I'm going to take the golden shade right here in the Game. I'm going to be taking the same brush that I used the green and everything. I've already used the color switch on it. So I'm going to pop this underneath my eye all the way through. You guys will be able to see it a little better over here. So just running that underneath. So I'm just kind of like wiping the brush and then flipping it over so all the color is on this side. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is in black. This is my first time using this. Very pointy. Oh. And then I'm going to go in with Stila's Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Rubino. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and I think I used a lot of the colors out of the Semi-Precious palette. I do feel like this palette is definitely one that you can take like one color and put it on the lid and then just blend it into your crease, which is what I like to do a lot of times with this palette. And that is an easy way to get an eye look that looks great, and it's simple and it's easy to do. Just throw some mascara on, throw some lashes on, and you're good to go. So, you know, I didn't really want to do that in this video because you can pretty much do that yourself. This kind of gives you an idea of just something like fun and creative that you could do with this palette. That's not too dramatic. I feel like this is definitely a look you could wear to work if you wanted to, because I kind of simplified it a little bit, you know, and changed it a little bit halfway through. You know, you could always just not do the gold underneath, you know. It's a pretty mellow look, I feel, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, like I said, and don't forget to like the video, share it on your social medias if you want to, but please leave me a comment down below. Please let me know what you thought of this look, and let me know if you have this palette, if any of the palettes that I do have you guys want to see in an upcoming video. I'm trying to do more video requests for you guys, so leave them down below and I will get to them as soon as I possibly can. And until next time, bye guys.